Changing the turn signal bulb on a 2017 Kia Forte is one of those mildly annoying things that most people put off. But it shouldn't be hard. It's one of the easiest car fixes you can do in under 15 minutes. Most people get stuck because they don't realize you can actually access it without special tools. The manual makes it sound like you'll need to disassemble half the car. You won't. Just a ratchet, a flathead screwdriver, and maybe a little courage. If you've noticed your blinker ticking double speed, that's the car crying out for help. That fast clicking sound is basically your dashboard throwing a tantrum saying, "You broke me." It means one of the bulbs is out. First, you'll want to open the hood. Sounds obvious, but I've seen people trying to do this through the wheel well. Don't be that guy. The latch is just under the left side of the dash. Pull, then release the hood safety catch. Now stand in front of the car, facing the headlight. The turn signal bulb is the one toward the outside edge. You'll see two plastic caps near the back of the headlight housing. You're going after the outermost socket. Twist it counterclockwise. When you twist and pull the socket out, you'll see the culprit, a small amber bulb. It's usually 1157 or 2357A type. You can get replacement bulbs at any auto parts store for about $6 for a 2-pack. Always replace both sides. Trust me. Bulbs fail from the inside out. One goes, the other is usually close. If you only replace one, you'll be back under the hood a week later cursing your past self. And your dashboard's fast-ticking tantrum will return. To remove the bulb, just push it in slightly and turn counterclockwise. It's a bayonet-style fitting. Some people try yanking it straight out and wonder why it's stuck. Don't be that guy either. Push and twist, then pull it gently out. When handling the new bulb, wear gloves or use a clean paper towel. Oils from your fingers can reduce the bulb's lifespan. It's not a conspiracy theory. It has to do with heat transferring unevenly and cracking the glass. With the new bulb in, push it into the socket and twist clockwise until it locks. Then slide the entire socket back into the headlight housing and twist it clockwise to lock it in. You should feel it click or at least hold firmly. Before you close the hood and go back to your life, test it. Start the car, or just turn it to accessory mode, hit the turn signal, and watch it blink at a nice slow rhythm again, like jazz hands for your car. You can access the rear turn signal bulbs almost the same way, but through the trunk. Remove the fabric liner to expose the bulb housing. Exact same twist and pull setup, just darker and more cramped. I use my phone flashlight held between my teeth. This is the kind of task that makes you feel like a wizard. You save $90 in labor and avoid sitting for an hour in a repair shop lobby watching Property Brothers reruns. 15 minutes, a $6 bulb, and you're back on the road.